In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Messenger account. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Messenger homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see the three ellipses and tap on it. Then proceed to tap on the settings gear. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate Meta Account Center. Then proceed to tap on it. This will drop you onto an interface like this. Continue to scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Under Personal Details, make sure to select Account Ownership and Control. Then continue to select on Deactivation or Deletion. So you land on an interface like this. Proceed to select the account that you want to deactivate. In this case, I'm going to select on this one. Since we want to deactivate the account, all we have to do is to tap on Deactivate Account. Then proceed to tap on Continue. Then you'll be prompted that deactivating your account will also deactivate your other additional Facebook profiles as well as pages where you are only the admin or person with full control. If you are satisfied with all these requirements, then you can proceed to scroll down and tap on Continue. And that's it. You have successfully deactivated your Messenger account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.